Hello, good evening everyone. This is Papa Guac here. It is June 24th, 2025, 7:15 p.m. and I'm preparing to videotape this Peruvian apple cactus all night long as it opens up and delivers its beautiful flower. The flowers that'll be appearing this evening are the one on the left hand side on the top, so the top left, and then the one on the right hand side. Unfortunately, we're getting like a back view of this. The cactus is on the neighbor's property line, so I can't film this from a different angle, but we'll still be able to see this thing open up. I really plead with you all who are watching this to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to be able to get a live feed going. I need a certain number of subscribers. I think I need to hit 500. So anybody watching this, please recommend to your family, friends, loved ones to subscribe, like, and share the channel. I want to go live on an event like this. It's at 8 o'clock. Things are really going to start to pick up with this flower. And or these flowers are actually getting a double feature, which is even better. So instead of one, we're gonna get two of them opening up, which is fantastic. So I'm excited. I'm going to hit the button at 8 p.m. and I'm gonna let it run clean through until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we'll see the whole process of it opening it from the way that it looks right now to its full blossom through the night, and then as it closes in the morning. So this is going to be a really good video. I'm going to be editing it to speed up the process, so that ought to be a lot of fun in editing to make it move fast. So that'll be an exciting video. I'm really excited about this, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a couple more flowers. I've got 1, 2, 3 that I can see in front of me, so I'm gonna get at least three more chances to video tape this event. I've got another two on the back side of the cactus. So this thing is really perked up all of a sudden in regards to making flowers. The last one never got pollinated and it fell off and died. But the very first one, it stayed. The fruit is located right here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is where the fruit is at, and I'm hoping that it does what it's supposed to do, which is become a yummy little piece of food for me to eat that tastes like dragon fruit. So yeah, I'm really excited about what's going on here, and so guys, please help me out, help me hit that 500 mark, so that I can do live. I mean, this is comparable to watching any clips or some other great natural wonder that God gives to us to see and to appreciate. So hit the like button, hit the share button, the subscribe button, share with your family, friends, and loved ones, and I'll be seeing you again tomorrow, because after this, that's it. This is camera. It's going to be sitting here recording this cactus for let's see, from 8 to 9, so what's that, 12, 13 hours. So try to take that 13 hours and condense it down into a couple of hours, um, so that it's easier to watch. It'd be a lot more fun to watch it open it up really fast. So I'm excited about that. It's my first major editing project. So anyway, I hope you all have a really good evening, and I hope you enjoy this video. Of course, this video is going to be published after the event occurs, but nonetheless, this video will be aired first thing tomorrow morning after the event happens, and then all the editing is going to take several hours for me to get it up, so it probably actually won't be posted until not tomorrow but the next day. So that would be Thursday. We're probably looking towards Thursday. So anyway, I hope you all have a good evening. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon. Talk to you later. Bye now.